Ever wondered why your cat seems to hear everything? Their ears are truly incredible, acting as super sophisticated listening devices. Each of your cat's ears has an astonishing 32 individual muscles. This gives them amazing control, far more than human ears, allowing precise movements. These muscles let cats rotate each ear a full 180 degrees and move them completely independently. They swivel like mini radar dishes, constantly scanning for sounds. This incredible auditory power helps them pinpoint the exact location of even the faintest rustle. Perfect for hunting or simply ignoring you perfectly when you call their name. Classic cat.